your prompting, I would have just assumed, no way I would have gotten anything. So I wanted to thank you.
No, we appreciate you growling a problem with us here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Always do your best. Surrender. Let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 160, NASDAQ up 196, S&P's up 35, gold contract up $20.60, trading at $18.93 an ounce. You got silver up 42 cents, $27.90 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 70 cents, $69.51 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year note up 19 ticks, trading 133.04. The 30-year up 1.13 ticks at 159.02 in King Dollar. King Dollar's down 373 ticks, trading out at 90.139. The euro is at 121. The yen is at 109.53, and the British pound's at 141 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? Well, in the world of the markets, folks, everything's green except the good old US dollar. So the market, no doubt, loves the dollar going downtown. It looks to me like this dollar's going to go a lot lower. Let's get over and take a look at the S&P first. These highs want to get tested. The bottom line has been hanging out here. What we've done thus far is that you're right next to the high that was established out here on Tuesday. I suspect, number one, that high is going to get tested. And that high, let's pull this up. So the high on Tuesday we're talking about is 42.30. And so check this out, folks. We've hit 42.29.25. The high that wants to get tested is the 42.38. So this is going to get really wild coming into the close because the market has every, well, not right, okay, but it has every opportunity to go test the highs as we come into the close out here. That's how this market is set up right now. And if it doesn't test the highs, it's going to be like, man, okay, are we going to wait till Monday to test the highs, or is that going to be all she wrote and she's going to start pulling back? If we go take a look at the SPY, what you are going to see is that we have a contraction of volume out here in a big way. I mean, the high of Tuesday was 422.23, 422.72 rather. We hit 422.65 thus far. Bottom line is that the high that it's going after is the 422.74. That's what we're going after. NDX 100, that doesn't look to me like it's going to back off either coming into the close because the S&Ps want to go up there. That's up 582 right now, the 3 Qs. And this can basically, we have a 335.82. 336 to 339 is game to get tested. That's how it seems to be setting up right now. Notes. Well, actually, notes. Yeah, notes and bonds. Let's go to notes and bonds because this is a big move, man. I mean, the bottom line is that I've been bullish these for a while, but now what you actually have happening is that we got real action here. What you had out here, we've had a sideways movement for the last week and a half. You rejected lower price out here yesterday. You go topside today. You're taking out the consolidation. And just taking out the consolidation alone, it looks to me I'll get an ABC up, actually. 131, let's call that 132. And again, that's not that big. Well, gets you to 133. We're at 132.06, and it gets you to 133. I expect what you're going to see is actually this 10-year wants to run up into the 134 area. Right now, the 10-year, we're yielding 1.56. We go take a look at the 30-year bond out here, U.S. And there we go, USC. Okay, so the 30-year right now, whoa. Okay, so 30 years trading 159.01. Oh, yeah. This is going a lot higher, man. This thing can get all the way up to somewhere about 162. So we're talking some big numbers here. And we go over to King Dollar. What you're going to see in King Dollar, it's pretty amazing. Just King Dollar, once again, gives it up in spades. It's pretty amazing how King Dollar does give it up in spades, though. It's kind of the personality here on King Dollar is pretty phenomenal. You know, this personality started going all the way back to the 30th of April. That's the first time that King Dollar got any kind of bid. That lasted 2 days, gave it up. Then you get a monster bid again on the 12th of May, only lasted a day, gave it up. Then we got a monster bid yesterday, lasted 24 hours, gave it up, and gave it up in spades again. And that's just showing you that there is huge amounts of selling inside of King Dollar. And I suspect what you're going to see out here is that if we bring up King Dollar, what you're going to see is just sticking out like a sore thumb. King Dollar now has been building cars for lower price for 5 months. And that is a long period of time, folks, okay? The longer that you build cars, whether you're going up or down, once that move starts, man, get out of the way because you're talking about something intense. And, you know, we'll see whether this 88,253 can hold. That's the February swing lows. What held them up last time was the highs of 2009 and 2010. If they pierce that baby and take it out with conviction, which conviction means inside the marketplace in general, is you get the wide price spread. Well, I say the wide price spread and accelerated volume because that's what conviction is. In the currency markets, you don't have volume because there's so many different places that currencies deal. So what you're looking for is if you have the wide price spread, you blow away a number with wide price spread, that brings the probability much higher that you're going down to the next number. Dow Industrials right now, $159. You get the NASDAQ up 191. S&Ps are up 35. Inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness, you get DocuSign up 18.5%. Biogen is up 5.5%. Moderna is up 5.5%. Pinduoduo is down a point. 1%. Vertex is off 0.7%. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.